Ever wondered how important it is to cleanse our body system for a healthier life? Well, Ayurveda, one of the world's oldest holistic healing systems, offers a unique solution known as Panchakarma. Originating from India over 5,000 years ago, Panchakarma is a Sanskrit term which translates to 5 actions. It refers to a set of 5 therapeutic procedures designed to purify and rejuvenate the body system. These procedures include Vaman, a therapeutic vomiting process, Virachan, a purgation therapy, nausea, where herbal oils or powders are administered through the nose, Basti, a medicated enema, and Abhyanga Snehan, a full-body massage using medicated oils. Each of these procedures is performed in a systematic order, aiming to eliminate toxins and balance the body's energies known as doshas. Intrigued? Well, you should be. These ancient therapies offer a plethora of health benefits. So, let's delve deeper into these procedures and understand how they can be beneficial for our health. First up, we have Vaman, also known as emesis therapy. In this Ayurvedic procedure, the individual is guided to gently expel the body's toxins through induced vomiting. This holistic approach is especially beneficial for those grappling with respiratory and digestive issues. It can act as a reset button for your body, helping to clear congestion, improve metabolism, and rejuvenate the digestive system. Remember, Ayurveda is all about balance, and Vaman helps restore this equilibrium. Moving on, let's explore Virachan. Next on our list is Virachan or purgation therapy. This therapy is a cleansing process specifically designed for the lower gastrointestinal tract. Its benefits are numerous and transformative. For starters, it offers relief from chronic fever by purging the body of excess heat. It also aids in the management of diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. Furthermore, it alleviates asthma and skin disorders, promoting clear breathing and radiant skin. Truly, the power of Virachan lies in its comprehensive healing approach. Now let's turn our attention to nausea. Third in our lineup is nausea, the nasal administration. Nausea is a unique procedure where medicated oil or powder is gently administered through the nostrils. This may sound unusual, but it's a powerful practice with numerous benefits. Nausea can improve respiratory health, enhancing our ability to breathe freely. It's also known to provide relief from migraines and headaches. So if you're looking for a natural way to clear your sinuses and ease your mind, nausea could be the answer. Next, we'll discuss Basti. Fourth on our list is Basti, also known as enema therapy. Deeply rooted in Ayurvedic practices, Basti is a unique procedure where medicated oil or decoction is gently introduced into the rectum. The magic of this therapy lies in its ability to offer profound relief from ailments such as lower back pain, arthritis, and constipation. It's particularly effective because it directly targets the colon, a crucial site for the body's toxin elimination. So with Basti, you're not just healing, you're detoxifying. Finally, let's delve into Abhyanga Snehan. Last but not least, we have Abhyanga Snehan, the oil massage. This is no ordinary massage, my friends. It's a full-body massage using specially medicated oil, meticulously prepared through traditional Ayurvedic methods. Now you might ask, why the fuss about oil? Well, the oil is absorbed by the body, nourishing it from within, promoting longevity, and relieving fatigue. It's like giving your body a much-needed vacation. But the benefits don't stop there. Have you ever noticed how your skin glows after a good massage? That's because Abhyanga Snehan is excellent for skin health. It's nature's own moisturizer, making your skin soft, supple, and radiant. And let's not forget about the stress-busting capabilities of a good massage. After an Abhyanga Snehan session, you'll sleep like a baby, wake up refreshed, and ready to take on the world. And that wraps up our exploration of the 5 Panchakarma procedures. So, why should we consider Panchakarma? Panchakarma, with its 5-fold therapies of Vaman, Virachan, nausea, Basti, and Abhyanga Snehan, plays a pivotal role in maintaining and enhancing our health. These therapies provide a comprehensive cleanse for our body system, flushing out toxins and rejuvenating our overall constitution. The benefits are manifold, ranging from improved digestion to enhanced immunity. Remember, a cleansed body is a step towards a healthier and happier life, so why not give Panchakarma a try?